Right now, your Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok feeds are flooded with AI influencer video. But here's the truth, this influence is not a real person. No camera, no model, no studio. Still, it looks completely human. And yes, people are earning real money with this AI generated influencers video. But here's the catch, most of the people try this video and fail. Not because AI does not work, but because their character is inconsistent. They create video, but the face, expression, or look of the influencer keeps changing, and that instantly break the trust. I spent a couple of weeks testing different tools and workflow, and finally found one proven flow. So hello everyone, welcome back to Friends with AI. Today we are going to learn how to create an AI influencer that not only look realistic but also stays consistent across your videos, blogs, and social media posts. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step process to build an AI influencer, turn it into an animated clip, and make it look and feel just like a real human. So in this video, I'll be creating a short vlog style video. To do that, we need a script, a character image, and a character video with dialogue. I have already prepared all the prompt for this workflow, but for the first clip, I'll show you exactly how to generate the prompt from the scratch so you can understand the process clearly. I'll also attach my complete prompt link in the pinned comment and description. You can directly use it and save your time.
See, I have already generated the whole script for my shots. There is one base prompt to generate the model character and 3 prompt for the 3 scenes and 3 video prompt for the video. So for the first image scene, I'll be showing how did I get this prompt step by step, and I'll be sharing the prompt link in the description. You can check it out.
In this video, we'll be using Google Flow. With the help of Google Flow, you can create very detailed video, and Google Flow understands only the JSON format. JSON is a data interchange format that I'll tell you how you can generate prompt to JSON code with the help of ChatGPT. So guys, first we'll open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a powerful prompt for creating our influencer image. I'll simply type act as a prompt expert and give me a powerful prompt to generate a beautiful woman influencer photo. As you can see guys, ChatGPT starts generating a detailed prompt for us. So it generated the prompt. Now I'll simply copy the prompt and next I'll paste it in Gemini. And one important thing, don't forget to add the aspect ratio 9:16 at the end of the prompt. This is very important for the reel and shorts type. So Gemini also started generating our model picture. As you can see guys, it generated a beautiful picture, but I'm not fully satisfied, so I'll ask regenerate it. Yeah, it regenerated another one, so yeah, this one looks perfect. Now I'll simply download the image and our influencer photo is ready. So now once again I'll open ChatGPT and ask it to generate another prompt, but this time I'll make sure model stays exactly the same, and I'll ask ChatGPT to place her in an airport setting with traveling appearance, carrying a camera and travel gear. So simply I'll type give me a prompt to modify the image. Her model should be same, but she should be in the airport with travel appearance with camera, etc. As you can see guys, ChatGPT is generating the prompt and it's done. Now simply I'll copy that prompt and I'll paste it in Gemini. and I'll mention the aspect ratio 9:16. As you can see, this image is perfect, and that model is in the airport with the travel gear and the appearance. So we got our first scene ready. So now once again I'll come back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt to convert this image into a video. And in this video, the same model will be delivering dialogue with natural expression. So simply I'll type, give me a powerful prompt to generate one video from using this image, where the model is saying she's traveling to Maldives and please stay connected with her vlogs and keep the video environment realistic. As you can see guys, ChatGPT is generating the video prompt and it is done. So now we'll copy the video script and we'll paste it again in ChatGPT, and we have to convert this script into a JSON code. So for that we have to type convert the attached image into a realistic cinematic JSON video prompt for VO3 just before the prompt. As you can see guys, ChatGPT has generated a proper JSON code, and we'll simply copy the JSON code and open the Google Flow. In the previous video, we used Google Flow to generate a brand advertisement using AI step by step. If you didn't watch that video, please go and check it out. That video link is in the description. We'll select frame to video and we'll upload our first scene image. That lady is in, the model is in airport, and after that we'll paste our JSON code. And we'll hit the enter. It will take few seconds to generate the video. As you can see guys, Google Flow generated our first video. It perfectly merged the JSON code and the provided image and generated a beautiful detailed video. So our first video is ready. So guys, let me give you a quick recap. First, you need a prompt to generate your main character or the base image. Next, you use another prompt to place the same character into different scene and generate the image. And finally, you need a prompt to convert those images into video, where the character delivers dialogue using JSON based prompt. This process looks bit lengthy, but trust me, if you follow this process, you will get the best quality video. So in the same way, I'll generate next two scene and their video, since I already have my script ready. So guys, now we'll be generating our second scene image. For that, I'll simply copy the prompt, and this time I'll be using LM Arena. That is another powerful AI tools to generate high quality picture, as you can use the Nano Banana Pro. So I'll simply paste my prompt, and for the reference I'll give the base image and hit enter. As you can see guys, it is generated our second scene image, and now we'll copy the video prompt and we'll ask ChatGPT to generate the JSON code. So ChatGPT is generating JSON code. Now we'll simply copy the JSON code. Now we'll upload our second scene image in Google Flow, and we'll simply paste our JSON code in the flow. As you can see guys, flow merged our JSON code and the reference image, and it generated a beautiful and detailed video. So guys, now we'll be generating our third and last image. So simply I'll copy the scene prompt and I'll paste it in LM Arena along with our base image and hit enter. So guys, as you can see, we got our third image ready, third scene image ready. So now simply I'll copy the video prompt and with the ChatGPT we'll convert it into JSON code. So we got our JSON code also ready. So simply I'll copy the JSON code and we'll paste it in Google Flow and we'll import our third scene image. Now click on generate. As always, it merged the JSON code with a reference image and provided a beautiful detailed video. So guys, as you can see, we got our 3 video ready. Now I will show you the final result.
Hey everyone, I'm traveling to the Maldives today. Make sure you stay connected with my blogs for all the travel updates. I can't wait to share this journey with you.
Hey everyone, I've finally reached the Maldives. I'm enjoying this beautiful place so much, and in some time I'll be going for scuba diving.
I'm going for scuba diving now, and I can't wait to explore the amazing undersea world here in the Maldives.
So guys, this was the process to generate AI influences video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more AI tutorials like this. If you have any specific requirement or idea, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I would also love to know what kind of video you are planning to create with these tools and what kind of AI character you are thinking to building. Your feedback really helps me to decide what to create next. Thank you so much again. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.